Let's start. Today we will see how to use woh values. Woh function or woh variable is used to check if the calculated value is a number or not. This is the indicator function with name, woh values. Next, if the bar is bullish, we fetch the close value. And if the bar is bearish, we do not want to have any numerical values in our variable, that's why we use the woh variable. Finally, we plot the value variable, and keep the style as a break line. So when the bar is bullish, the close of the bar is plotted. And when the bar is bearish, no value, or woh value is plotted with a blank. Let's add this indicator to the chart. As you can see, when the bar is bullish, the close is plotted in the blue color. And when the bar is bearish, nothing is plotted on the chart. So that's it. That's how you can use a woh value in the TradingView pinescript. Thanks for watching.